should be me, waiting for your phone call. Oh, yeah, it's me, reminiscing the lost love.
Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today you're watching me drawing this Lego character. I turned him into a hype beast, incorporating some of my favorite brands and just brands that I think would look good on him. This is the final result, and I also posted this one that I thought looked cool. After this video, I'm planning on doing another one that you can see a little preview of here, where I design each individual character as if you could actually build them as Lego characters, which I thought was quite cool as well. Let me know if you want me to drop that as a full video. Just drop a like and drop a comment telling me that that's what you want. Anyway, with this video, you're currently watching the sketching process. You can see what I'm trying to draw in the bottom right corner. Originally, I was planning on using the pen tool to then go further and make it look smoother, but I decided to just use the brush strokes in the end, giving it a slightly rougher finish. If anyone out there wants me to turn them into a Lego character, that's something that I'm offering. We've now hit 20k subs, so I want to thank you guys for 20k. I'm not going to speak on it too much because I'm going to be doing another video soon, which is going to be celebrating it kind of. Make sure to join the Discord if you're not already in the Discord. Follow my Instagram, links in the description. And I hope you have a great rest of your day, guys. Enjoy the rest of this video, and that is me out. Peace.
Should be me, waiting for your phone call. Oh, yeah, it's me, reminiscing the lost love. That should be me, waiting for your phone call. Oh, yeah, it's me, reminiscing the lost love.
Got juice and I'm clean as a maid, I need a minute. Switch it up, spin that shit on them just like a fidget. Scary diamonds in them, whole green just like a gremlin. Got her fingers on me like itchy bitch.